Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make pom-pom using 2 fingers, and it will be very fast and easy. So let's get into it. So I have here a beige colored yarn, and this tutorial will be very easy and fast. But before starting, I just want to remind you to check out my Instagram and Facebook accounts to see all my new patterns. All patterns are free, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see all the new tutorials I'll be sharing. So let's start, and I'm taking the yarn. It's very simple. This yarn is medium sized yarn, and let's see, it says at the label you need to use a 3 to 4 millimeters needles, knitting needles, or a 4 millimeters a crochet hook. And right here what I need to do is using my middle finger, and my thumb, and I will be taking the loose end right here, and as you can see at this joint right here, I'm going to hold the loose end and I'm going to wrap this yarn. And don't forget to count your wraps, because it does affect the other pom-poms you're making. So if you're gonna make many pom-poms and you need these pom-poms to have the same amount of wraps or the same amount of fuzziness, you need to count each time you wrap the yarn around your fingers. So let's unwrap this and start over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I wrapped this yarn 50 times around my fingers, and I'm gonna leave this distance right here and cut my yarn, and again I will cut about 20 centimeters of yarn, or 8 inches. So this part should go around this wrap. So here's the trick that I like to do. I like to take a crochet hook, insert the hook between my 2 fingers, wrap this yarn around my hook, and insert one end between my fingers. So as you can see, I have this yarn between my fingers. So my fingers are very tightly wrapped with the yarn. And here I'm going to take these 2 ends, and between my 2 fingers right here I will okay, so I'm tying this one. Sometimes I need to use my teeth to help me, but not quite much. Before I finish tying the yarn, I can slip this out and simply continue wrapping it, continue tying it, and make another tie just to be sure that everything is in place. And now all we need to do is take the scissors. My ones are rusty because I lost my crochet scissors, and then I'm going to cut this pom-pom. Make sure that both sides are equal in length, and finish cutting this pom-pom all around. Okay. And here is my pom-pom. So here I just need to cut this long tail. And I have a pom-pom. You can trim the edges to make it even, and you can wrap it as much as you want around the fingers. So I just did 50 wraps. You can make them 100, 150, it's up to you. And this is my final pom-pom. This is an easy one. If you lost your pom-pom maker, if you have no pom-pom maker, or you just want to do things very quickly, you can use this method to make your pom-pom. Okay, so this pom-pom is very small. If you want it to be bigger, you can use three fingers or 4 fingers, and I usually do the same trick. But here's the thing, when you're using 3 fingers and you want to wrap the yarn and tie it around these wraps of yarn, here's the trick. You need to take them out and then wrap them or tie them with the yarn. Instead, you can use your 4 fingers and then take your yarn and slip it between these 2 fingers and make the same steps I just showed you, and you will be okay. So this is the method I use usually because I'm so lazy and I don't like to look for lost things. But if you have a pom-pom maker, it's better. If you like to learn how to make a pom-pom using pom-pom maker, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll be very glad to make you a video. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.